Welcome back to another episode of Resell Recap, where we go over all the resellable items of the week. This week was one of the most profitable weeks of all of 2020. First, we're going to start off with the Nike Air Fear of God 1 Triple Black. These retailed at $350, and you can resell them on StockX right now for about $550. With fees of $66, you could make about $134 on each pair. I would say this is probably a pretty good price for them. They should dip a little bit once actual pairs start coming in, but I definitely think this could be a good price to buy a personal at. Alright, next up we got the Nike SB Dunk High 420s. These retailed at around $170, and you can resell them for about $5,000. With fees of $600, you could profit over $4,000 on each of these. I would say that the price is definitely going to go down a lot, especially because the Familia orders actually haven't started coming in. So I think they'll probably take around 2 to 3 weeks to actually ship in. And I think the price will settle around $2,000, which at $2,000 I definitely think it could be a good investment for some people, but you really have to be risky with your money like that. So I would say that these probably will go down a lot more and then come back a lot. Alright, next up we got the Supreme Heller mugs, the set of 2. These retailed at $48 including shipping. You can resell them right now for around $85. With fees of $10, you can make around $27 on each of these. I would say this is definitely a really good item. These kind of flew on the website when they dropped, and I think these will probably go up to around $130 in a year or two. So I would say if you have them and you can hold them, you probably should. But if you really need the money, I would sell right away. Alright, next up we got the Supreme COVID-19 Relief Box Logo Tee. These retailed at $70 including shipping, and right now you can resell them for about $700. With fees of around $84 on StockX, you would profit around $550. I would say that these are definitely going to go up in price as time goes on, but they should drop a lot because I'm pretty sure a lot of bots absolutely cooked this drop, and no manual boys got it. So I would say these probably are going to drop down to $500 or $600, which could be a good price to invest in these, because I think these should go up to $1,000 to $1,200 in a couple years. Alright, next up we got the Yeezy 700 MNVN Phosphor. These retailed at $200, and you can resell them right now for around $400. With fees of around $48, you would profit $152 on each pair you got. I would say these are definitely not the greatest pair to have. They were super limited and the prices aren't that good, so I would try and sell them right away because I don't think these are going to go up that much, and if they do, it's only going to be $50 to $100 more, and you can have a higher return by investing your money in other stuff. These are super limited, and other less limited Yeezy items have gone up a lot more and have a lot more hype in this one, so I wouldn't invest any money in this. Alright, we got the New Balance 1300 Levi's. These retailed around $200, and you can resell them for $350 on StockX. With fees of $42, you would profit about $108 per pair on these. I'd say that's a pretty good price. I'd sell these because I don't think New Balances really rise up in price that often. And even though these are a really nice pair, New Balance, it's not that hype of a brand compared to Nike and Adidas and their Yeezy brand. So I would definitely try and sell these and invest your money into something else. These were my sleeper pick of the week, and these definitely did perform. Alright, next up we got the Supreme New Era MLB Varsity jacket. The navy one did really good this week. You can sell it for around $600, which would profit you about $200 per jacket, which is really good. I definitely think this was a great item to pick up if you could have copped it on Supreme that day. I would definitely say this one is probably going to rise up in price as time goes on because it's an MLB collab with Supreme, and Supreme hype collabs like this definitely go up in price a lot after they're released. Alright, last up we got the Daniel Arsham Pokemon / Uniqlo Pikachu collab, and I would definitely say this was a pretty good item to resell this week. I didn't think it actually would, but the prices are pretty good right now. They'll probably go down to around $40 per shirt, but that's still good, and especially if you copped a lot like I said you should have, you could easily make $100 on all the tees if you sold them on StockX. As I took an L on every item I covered this week, and I didn't sell anything this week, there will be no resale recap portion of the video, But I do have this order from FTP that I got because I was so sad over not copying a box logo, a Fear of God, or anything this week. I got a lemonade for $10, which is so expensive. But I think this is definitely a good order, and I definitely think that these prices will be pretty good for resale. So I would say try and join the Discord. We got a lot of FTP resale estimates in there, and we can help you make a lot more money. Alright, as I was saying before, join the Discord, link in the description. We can help you make some more money. We can help you get hype shoes, hype other stuff. We can help you get those Nintendo Switches that are sold out everywhere. We can just help you do anything. If you join the Discord, I guarantee you'll make some money. We got a lot of other methods. We got free stuff in there. We got a lot of stuff that people like. So if you want free stuff, want to make a little bit extra money on the side, you just want to learn how to resell and how to sell on like eBay and stuff, join the Discord. Link in the description right now.